Everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
How my champions doing? We're gonna make winning plays every day, every single day, every minute, every day. Check this out. Right now, first time anybody's seen it on social media, first time anybody's seen it on YouTube, first time anybody's seen it. This is the Bitcoin shirt. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, right? I'll be dropping pretty soon for the summer, so you guys can represent this cryptocurrency the right way, right? That's what we want to do, and represent this cryptocurrency in the right way. So what I'm going to do is, this is episode 2 of a Champions Business Tips, part 3. Make money every hour. Listen, we want to start thinking in complete terms, right? We're going to build off that video though. What was I talking about in there? You can go back and look at it. I'll put the link to that video in the description. I'll also put a card at the top right here so you can see what I'm talking about. So be on the lookout for that. But what I was talking about is making money every hour, expanding what you're doing. So let's look at it like this. Let's say you make 500 in one day, right? We're going to break that down into every hour of the day. All right, so let's look at it. Let's go to my calculator. 500 divided by 24. So you had $20 an hour. That's how much you made. So what you gotta know is whatever your hourly rate is, right? What you want to do is you want to make sure you can capture that in that day. So you got to look at it like that. If you're doing one project and that project is $500 project, you know, if your rate is about $20, you're capturing that rate, you're good to go. But now if you're going to work one day that week, you got to look at it. How many of those consultations do you need to get your hourly rate for all week? That's why you want to start looking into passive income, right? Something that if you're not there, it's making money for you, and there's a lot of different ways you can do that. One of the big ways I want to start getting into is crypto staking your cryptocurrency. A lot of people don't know what that is or what I'm talking about. I'll get into it. Cherry value, cryptocurrency staking. So that's something I got to break down and get into for everybody. But don't worry, we're going to get into that, right? When you save your cans, that's another way you want to gain passive income. So you just want to look at that, right? And build on that mindset, right? How to make money every hour. So, you know, just look at it, look at that, build on that, and we want to be thinking about that going forward. So, and also you got to look at it. If you can take your time and not spend it working, right, you're paying yourself more. So if you add QuickBooks, right, and you don't have to spend 2 hours going through receipts, it just does it automatically through your checking account. You link your business account to your QuickBooks account, right? You giving yourself more time, you paying yourself more, because now you have more time to do other things for your business or for yourself, or set things up, work on future projects, right? So you want to look at all these things like tools, right, that's working for your business, you know, all that kind of stuff. But the main thing we're talking about here is, you know, getting paid every hour, and we want to look at that. So we want to look at different opportunities and ways to get paid every hour. And yeah, so you really want to think about those kind of things, different things you could do to get paid every hour. The stronger you make your brand, the easier it's going to be to get paid every hour. So make your brand strong, right? So then if you charge a little bit more, it's not just to charge a little bit more, it's you're bringing that much more value. So you're bringing more value, you charge a little bit more, now you raise your hourly rate. So you want to think about those things. Always have some goals attached to your business so you can work on those things, so you can build. And yeah, we're just going to expand on that. Yeah, so make sure you check out our Instagram page, the Champions Playbook merch, where we will be dropping some of this fire gear. Be on the lookout for it, right? More crypto lovers out there, people that think different, people that don't want their finances centralized and things like that. Got something in the works for you, so be on the lookout for that. Also, once you check out other videos that we got, video from links in the description. We also gonna have some videos at the end of this video, so be on the lookout for those. What else do we have? We have that. You can, if you want to support, we also have the Cash App link. We have the PayPal link, so if you want to support and things like that, go ahead and check those out. And you know, just think about the different things we have. Champions Value Assets, a big series that we got going, so be on the lookout for all that. So we got some big things coming. I'd like to personally thank everybody for checking out the content that we've been putting out. Got a lot more coming out, so be on the lookout for that. Everybody stay tuned.
Check, living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress. We finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You sexual healing, the ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds, I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all